boda. Again, boda. This is a verb which means to see or to look at. Again, boda means to see or to look. Next word is hyungwa. Again, it's hyungwa. This is the Korean term for film or movie. Again, hyungwa means film or movie. Next word is bap. Again, bap. And this is a Korean term for cooked rice or meal. Again, bap means cooked rice or meal. Next word is daebak. Again, it's daebak. And this is used to say amazing in Korean. Again, daebak means amazing. Next word is yache. Again, yache. And this is the Korean term for vegetables. Again, yache means vegetables. Next word is choa. Again, choa. And this is used to say it's good, alright, or I like it. Again, choa means it's good or I like it. Next word is gogi. Again, it's gogi. And this is a Korean term for meat. Again, gogi means meat. Next word is pang. Again, it's pang. And this is a Korean term for bread. Again, pang means bread. Next word is kopi. Again, it's kopi. And this is a loan word which means coffee. Again, kopi is coffee. Next word is choshime. Again, it's choshime. And this is a way to say be careful in Korean. Again, choshime means be careful.